Besides the basic video editing techniques like cut, copy, delete, and crop range, you should not miss out these must-know editing tips to level up your video, which are crop, mirror, freeze, join, change speed, blur, and green screen effects. In fact, it's not too hard to find these features in any editing tool. However, you may wonder where to find the whole package of this feature in just one app. Don't let you wait any longer. I will show you how easy and effective editing can be with these tips by using Active Presenter 9. First, one thing you need to pay attention to before applying any technique is you need to select the video object on the canvas or on the timeline pane. This will enable the upcoming features to appear. This feature helps you remove the unwanted parts of videos. Simply crop the video by choosing the option in the Size and Properties tab or in the Format tab, or right-clicking the video. Then a red line rectangle, the crop area, will cover the border of the video object. Just drag the crop area or fill in a number in each combo box in the crop section to specify the cropped area. And finally, click anywhere on the canvas to finish cropping your video. Besides the normal rotating options, you can easily mirror the video in Active Presenter 9 by flipping it horizontally. Just right-click the video or choose the option in the Format tab, rotate, flip horizontally. If you want to freeze the video for an amount of time to explain more information, simply do this in Active Presenter 9 by using the Insert Time feature. So place the playhead at the position you want to freeze. Then click the Insert Time button. The default frozen time is 2 seconds, so adjust the number as you want. Then drag the whole bar to change the start time. And drag the right side edge of the yellow bar to increase or decrease the duration of the edit time. Almost any editing app allows users to cut the video into smaller parts for easily editing. However, not many offer users the join feature to make two videos become one. And in Active Presenter, you can simply split and join the video objects with just a few clicks. And now, after selecting the video, drag the playhead to where you want to split. Then, click the Split Audio or Video Objects button. And to join two videos, choose them by holding down the Ctrl or Shift on the keyboard while clicking like this. Then, click the Join Audio and Video Objects button. Speed up and slow down are two common techniques for all editors. You can easily change the speed of a video or just a part of it in Active Presenter 9. Select the entire video or just a specific video part by dragging the start and end marker of the playhead along the timeline. Then click the Change Playback Speed and customize the value as you want. As can be seen, the default value is 200%, so if you want to speed up your video, enter a value higher than 100% and in contrast. To slow down the video, enter the value lower than 100%. Choose this option to get back to the original video speed. Sometimes your video might include some private or unnecessary information that you want to hide. and this feature is especially useful in those cases. Easily blur the information by selecting a range of the video on the timeline pane. Then click the Insert Blur Area button. Then decide the blur duration and customize the blur area in size, position, blurriness, orientation, and type. And to blur the moving object in your video, simply use the keyframe feature for precision. You just need to place the playhead at each position you want to add a keyframe. Then simply move the blur area to create a new keyframe. Or click the Add or Remove Keyframe button here. This feature helps you blend a video with another layer of video easily. A typical example of it is in the weather forecast, where the presenter stands in front of the moving weather map. The technique of it is to key out a color from the video, then replace that color with another video. You just need to access the Media tab to see this option. And choose a color from the color picker to key out. More precisely, you should use the eyedropper to choose the color from the video. Then move the tolerance slider to adjust the range of color to key out. So, those are the 7 techniques that you should apply to your video editing process. With these tips, you have leveled up yourself in the field of video editing. And let Active Presenter be your companion to simplify your editing experience by going to the description box and downloading the app now. I have also placed the written tutorials with detailed instructions for you to easily follow. So, what are you waiting for? Like, share, and comment if you have any further questions. See you soon in the next videos.